Today I'm going to be reading another Monster Truck book, and this one's called My Monster Truck Family. So let's get started. My name is Elbow Grease. Nice to meet you. I am a monster truck. Look at me go. Zip zap zoom. I have 4 brothers. They are all also monster trucks. Boom. This is Tank. He is big. This is Flash. He is fast. Vroom. This is Pinball. He is smart. Aha! This is Crash. He is wild. Woohoo! This is Mel. She built us all. We are a monster truck family. When one of us gets dirty, we all help clean him up. P.U. When one of us gets hurt, we all help fix him up. Oucharoo. When one of us gets sad, we all help cheer him up. Boo-hoo. Yay! When one of us gets sick, we make him soup. Achoo. We take care of each other. Plus, we get to play together. Crash, splash. I love my monster truck family. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the notification bell. Bye!